dizzy and threw up.
Joel, Digital, stop punching and kicking each other.
Union.
Really like.
She wears a pink t-shirt that says Cupcake Days, a name tag that spells Sarah, and a paper cupcake crown. Sarah, when our eyes met, it was magic. I knew she was the one who texted me. Blah, blah, blah. I stood there looking amazing. Her paper cupcake crown almost sparkled. Mark,